Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha. And I'm sure that a lot of you are excited by looking at the thumbnail of this video, that is 10 lakh to 100 crores. Now, is this a clickbait? No, certainly not. I will prove it. But one of the things that you need to do is, first of all, if you haven't watched this particular video and you're entirely new to the world of stock markets and investment, you should definitely check my last video where I talked about can you retire with more than $1 million even if you earn less than 30,000 a month. It's all about proper discipline and a proper mindset and following particularly a monthly SIP kind of a thing and investing in the correct assets. So I'm sure that this will help you. Now, for this particular video, when I was very new to the stock markets and was starting my investment or trading journey, I basically came across this one video, which was how to make 100 crores by investing rupees 10 lakh. And this was a talk by Mr. Ramesh Damani, and he's one of the best and one of the richest people in India who has been a really good ace investor in his times, and he has been educating people about the stock markets, and he's again one of the best people that you can listen to. So I highly encourage you to go and watch this video after watching this one, because this will really motivate you. Now 100 crores seems like an unachievable target, right? But it is achievable, at least on paper. But even if you reach half of that, that is 50 crores, is that really bad? Now, even if you count inflation and everything, I think that 50 crores, which is more than, let's say, $7 million, is really very much enough. And I think it's a lot of money. So, what is the overall concept behind that, and how are we projecting 10 lakh to 10 crores? We'll see that soon. But again, I highly encourage that to go and watch this video. And I know that after looking at this particular thumbnail or this particular title, a lot of the experts will go down there in the comment section and say that this is all bullshit and this is not really possible. See, my whole aim here is to not to excite you about this particular figure, which is 100 crores, but just to explain you the power of compounding, which I also tried to do in my last video. But I think that this particular video will tell you how you can do this. And a lot of you will say that achieving a CAGR of more than 25% in the long run is not possible. I agree with you that it is hard, but this is not impossible. And in this particular video, we are going to look at 10 examples of 10 such stocks which have given a CAGR of more than 25% in the long run. So, with that being said, let's begin. The first stocks, so basically, we are going to look at 10 stocks, out of which 5 examples are for the large caps, 3 for mid caps, and 2 for small caps. So, first, we'll talk about the 5 large cap stocks. So, the first one on our list is going to be Bajaj Finance. So, let's have a look at that. So this is the long-term chart of Bajaj Finance. Now, unfortunately, in this particular video, we'll not be going over the overall fundamentals and the financial ratios, or basically we'll not be doing the fundamental analysis of the company. This video is just here to demonstrate that these stocks have given a CAGR of more than 25% in the long run, and it is really possible. And especially with India being a developing economy, I really think that it is possible. Not easy, but definitely possible. So let's have a look at the CAGR. So again, I have mentioned how to calculate CAGR numerous times in a lot of my videos, but here we'll use a CAGR calculator this time, and basically we'll just see what sort of CAGR are we getting. So here, if we take the value of Bajaj Finance to be rupees 3.95 in 2000, and the present value is 5272. So let's do the calculation. And in 21 years, you will see that the stock has given you a CAGR of more than 40.87%. And that's what we have mentioned here. The second stock on our list is going to be Kotak Bank. So again, if we look at the all-time chart of Kotak Bank, we can see that the initial value was 7.18 and the present price is 1804. And the time period which we are considering here is again 21 years. So again, Kotak Bank gave a CAGR of more than 30%, which is what we have seen here. The third stock on our list is going to be from the specialty chemical segment, and that is going to be Aarti Industries. Now here again, if we have a look at the all-time chart, so we'll see that the starting price is 5.35 and the current market price is 1363. And again, the time horizon here is from 2003 to 2021, which is roughly 18 years. So again, we have a CAGR of more than 36%. The next stock is going to be Jubilant FoodWorks. And again, if you have a look at the all-time chart of this particular stock, it started from 117.5 and today it is 29.50. And again, the time period here is 10 years or roughly 11 years. Again, the CAGR is more than 34%. This is what you can see. So I can do this for all the stocks, but there is no meaning of showing you everything. This is what I have calculated. And again, the next stock in the large cap category is going to be Pidilite Industries, which almost gave a CAGR of over 24.81% in the long run. And then these are the remaining five stocks. So in the three mid caps, we have Astral Polytechnic, which gave a CAGR of over 49% in the long run. And we have Naveen Fluorine, which gave a CAGR of roughly about 29.67% in the long run. And then another stock which we have in the mid cap category is Relaxo Footwears. And then these are the two small cap stocks with their respective CAGRs. And both of these belong to the specialty chemical segment. Now, what was the point of showing you all of these stocks, the 10 stocks? And you will see that in each of the stock, we have a CAGR of more than 25%, almost more than 25%, except for Pidilite, which is close to 25. And what was the significance of this particular title? Now, let's go to a lump sum calculator and try to understand the reason behind this particular title, that is 10 lakh to 100 crores. So I showed you some examples. Now, one thing that I would like to clarify here is that I have said this numerous times in my old videos as well. But does past performance of a particular stock guarantee the similar kind of future returns? So the straightforward answer is no, and the logical answer is no, because you may never know how things might turn up for that particular business or how that company might perform in times to come. This is just to give you an example that getting a CAGR of more than 25% is possible on a long term basis, and this is just the examples to prove the same. So let's go to the lump sum calculator and try to analyze what sort of returns we might have got. So we are assuming that we are investing rupees 10 lakh at a lump sum and not in an SIP mode. And we are assuming that we are doing this for the long term, that is for a period of 30 years. And as mentioned, that the expected rate of return that we are considering is 26%. So if I press calculate here, you will see that the expected amount that we have after 30 years comes out to be more than rupees 100 crores. And that's exactly what I mentioned in the video. Now, expecting a CAGR of 26% is something which might be hypothetical, but I still think that this is possible in the long run. Of course, it is going to be difficult, but it is certainly possible. So this was just one small video trying to demonstrate the power of compounding in the long run and how we can achieve. Again, investing 10 lakh rupees is again not an easy task, but I think slowly with time one can do that by the age of 30. And if we consider the retirement age to be 60, then in a period of 30 years, if you achieve 26% CAGR, you can expect this amount. And just forget about 26%. Even if you go for a 20% CAGR, you will still end up with roughly about 25 crores, and even that isn't less. So again, this was just a small video trying to demonstrate the power of compounding. I hope you like this particular video. If you did, please consider pressing the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Have a good day. Take care and bye bye.